Hello, Jolene. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, teacher.
Yes, how are you?
I'm great.
Well, it's really great, Jolene, and I'm happy to see that you're not late in our class. Okay, so how's the weather right now, Jolene?
It is sunny.
Oh, very good. What did you do this morning? Yes,
I was go to my grandparents' house.
very good. Okay, are you still in your grandparents' house or not anymore?
No, in the morning I drive home.
Ah, very good. Who went with you in your grandparents' house?
Hmm?
Who went with you in your grandparents' house?
My father, my mother, my sister, my my aunt, my
Yeah.
my my sister, and me.
Wow, that's really great, Dolin. Okay, so anyway, Dolin, today we're going to continue learning. Okay, so, but of course, we're going to start with a quiz. Are you ready to have a game?
Yes.
Okay, so here it is. So this is all about spin the wheel. Are you familiar how to play spin the wheel, Dolin?
Yes.
Great. Okay, so we're going to spin the fortune wheel. Then, for every answers you get, you've got 100 points. And for every wrong answer, I'm going to deduct 100 points. So here it is, Dolin. Now look and tell me, what is this?
The wave.
Yeah, so that is only an example. Okay, now you've got 100 for 100 points now. Okay, that was for 100 points, even though that was only an example. Now, what about this one? What is this?
Swimming pool.
Great job. Okay, 200 points. Now, look, what about this one?
Sea.
Very good. What can we do in the sea?
We can swim in the sea.
That's right. Okay. So what else can we do in the sea?
Mm, we can.
Yes, that's it. We can.
We can play at the sea.
Yeah, we can play. Very good, Dolin. Okay, now what about this one? What's this?
A ticket.
Yes, what kind of ticket is it? Is it a bus ticket?
Airplane.
Yes, it's a plane ticket. Wow, great, Dolin. Now, how about this one? What is it?
Cinema.
Yes, that's right. It is a cinema. Okay, now how about this one? Oh, wait a minute. This is the last one. What is it? Or what are they?
Upstairs.
Yes, they are stairs. Congratulations, Dolin. That is only a warm up. All right. If you can remember, what did we learn last time? We learned about Can you still remember, Dolin? What did we learn last time?
We learn about wave.
Yes, of course, we had wave last time. Very good. What else? We also
C.
have
Stairs. Cinema.
nice, Dolin. Okay, so yes, we also learned that one last time. Okay, what was your last class with me? That was last Wednesday. So last Wednesday, we learned about the grammar, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so what grammar did we have last Wednesday? So I will give you 200 points if you can remember. It was about Can you remember, Dolin? Yes or no?
No.
It's all right. Okay, so let's look at this book. So this is what we learned last time. Oh, not this one. This one. So it's all about grammar that focuses with direct and indirect object. Let's have a review. So look at this one. So we have verbs that have indirect objects. So the girl bought an ice cream for Daisy. Now, if you make it direct, then we could say the girl bought Daisy an ice cream. Okay. So here, Dolin, you're going to continue with the practice test. So this one is done. So in here, you're going to listen and tick the box. So there is one example. What clothes did Sally's mom buy yesterday? That's letter C. Now, what about this one? Now, let's listen and tick the box. Here it is, Dolin.
3. Which is your favourite room in the house?
I like my bedroom.
What have you got in your bedroom?
Well, there's a bed, and I've got a cupboard.
And a bookcase?
No, my books are downstairs, in the living room.
Teacher is not that one.
I'm sorry. Hello, Dolin.
Yes, teacher.
Were you saying something?
That's not number one.
Oh, hold on.
3.
All right. So wait a minute. Okay, so anyway, Dolan, just forget about that one because I think the audio of that was mixed. Okay, so in here, we're going to move on with Unit 6 instead. Okay, so that listening practice test,
Ready for movers.
4 items. But don't worry about it because the audio was mixed. So we'll move on with Unit 6. It's all about my favorite book. Do you have a favorite book, Dolin?
Yes.
Wow, that's great. What's the name of your favorite book?
My best friend.
Oh, very good. That's really nice. Now let's learn the new words in here. Now look, listen, and repeat.
Doctor.
Doctor.
Very good. Okay, a doctor is someone who works in the hospital and their job is to help sick people. Okay, do you want to be a doctor, Dolin?
No.
Wow, very good. Okay, so now
Doctor.
look, we have here.
Nurse.
Nurse.
Great. Okay, so a nurse is also someone who works in the hospital and they take good care of the patients. Now, who are the patients? So when we say patients, those are the people who are sick
6.
and they are in the hospital. Since they've got no one to take care of them, then we have a nurse to take care of them. The nurse's job is to give medicine for people who are sick. And it's like the nurse is the assistant of the doctor. Okay, now look at this one. We have
Train driver.
Train driver.
very good. Okay, now what is a train driver, Dolin?
Is the man who driver a train.
Very good. Okay, do you know anyone who drives a train?
Yes.
Nice. Okay, now who is it?
I not remember.
It's all right. Okay, have you ever used the train to go somewhere else?
Yes.
Great job. Okay, now look at this one. We have
Pirate.
Pirate.
great. So a pirate likes to look for treasures in an island. Like some of the pirates are bad and they look scary. Yes. Have you ever seen a pirate, Dolin?
No.
Very good. Because I think even me, I haven't seen a pirate in real life, but I've seen so many pirates in the movie and they look scary. Okay, now look, we have,
Farmer.
Farmer.
okay, very good. So what's the job of the farmer, Dolin?
They take care.
Yes.
They
Okay.
take care. Vegetables.
Very good. And they are the one who plant the crops, such as vegetables, plants, and fruits. Where do they work, Dolin?
At the farmer.
At the farm. They work at the farm. Okay. Now look at this one. We
Clown.
have
Clown.
great. Okay. Now, what is the clown's job, Dolin?
They make kids happy.
That's right. Where do they work?
They work at the park, the
Yeah.
at the park.
Yes, they work at a park or in the circus. Do you know what a circus is?
No.
Okay. So a circus is a place where we could go so that we can see a show that is very funny. And we can also see the clown, the elephant, and some other animals in the circus. Okay. Now look at this one. We have here
Camera.
Camera.
Very good. Okay, do you have a camera, Dolin?
No.
Nice. Okay, but have you got a phone?
Yes.
Very good. Okay, now why do we use the camera's phone?
To take a picture, take a video.
That is right. Very good, Dolin. Okay, so we use the camera to take pictures and record a video. Great. Okay, now look, we have here.
Handbag.
Handbag.
Nice. Okay, now when we say handbag, this is a kind of bag that women use. Men don't use handbag. They have backpack. Okay, so have you got a handbag, Dolin?
Yes.
Great. Okay, so what color is your favorite handbag?
White, black, and the last one is the color of the skin.
Wow. Okay, so that is what, like this one, right? The one like this. Color of the skin is kind of brown or nude.
Yes.
Right. Very good, Dolin. What do you put in your handbag?
I put iPhone.
Nice.
Candy,
Okay.
cookies,
And
I don't know.
it's all right. Well, that's nice because you've got a handbag. Okay, now look, we have here.
Robot.
Robots.
Yes, a robot. Okay, so a robot is a kind of toy that men have. Do you have any robot, Dolin?
No.
Very good. Okay, so actually, a robot is not always like this because there are also robots where they could help us to clean our house. And what are those?
I have
Uh-huh.
one. I have
Oh, you
one.
have one? Very good. So what's the use of the robot in your house, Dolin?
I used to clean my mom rooms.
Very good. Okay. So what do you do with the robot? Do you operate the robot or the robot operates itself?
I operate the robots.
Very good. Wow, that's nice, Dolin. Okay, now look, we have here.
Treasure.
Treasure.
Very good. So when we say treasure, those are the things that has greater value. It could be money, gold, jewelry, what else? Like the most expensive phone that you have or the most expensive bag that you have. If you have Louis Vuitton, Chanel, Hermes, then they are considered treasures. Yes, we could also say like someone who is valuable to you, like family. Like my family is my treasure. That is also treasure. All right, Dolin?
Yes.
Great. If I'm gonna ask you, Dolin, what is your treasure?
The goat.
Pardon?
Yes.
Like what is your oh, so you've got gold, right?
Yes.
Oh, that's really nice. Okay, now let's continue learning new words. Listen and repeat.
Island.
Island.
One more, island.
Island.
Great. Okay, so an island is a land that is surrounded by an ocean. Okay, just like the one that you can see in the picture. So this is an island, a small island that is surrounded by the ocean. We call it island. All right. Do you like going to the island, Dolin?
No,
Wow, why not?
because it's not have food.
Yes. Okay, you are correct. So that's why when we go to an island, we have to bring our own food.
Food.
Yes. And sometimes, like if that island is one of the tourist attraction, when we say tourist attraction, this is where most of the people would visit. Okay, so if that island is one of the tourist attraction, then that island has different shops that sell food, drinks, and other things that we need as a tourist. Yes. Okay, like for example, the Halong Bay. Have you ever gone to the Halong Bay?
No.
Ah, okay. So Halong Bay is also an island, right? But of course, there are different shops there that sell food and drinks. Okay, now listen and repeat. We
City.
have here.
City.
Nice. So what is a city, Dolin?
City has so many house, apartment,
Very
uh,
good.
the park.
Wow, that's nice, Dolin. That's correct. So well said. Do you live in a city, Dolin?
Yes.
Wow, that's nice. Okay, so which is nicer to live, in the city or in the countryside?
In the city.
Very good. Why do you think so?
Because in the cities they have so many people and they were so happy in there.
Yes, you are right, Dolin. And of course, the city location is more convenient than in the countryside because in the city we have everything that we need. Compared in the countryside, there aren't many shops there. So you still have to go to the city to buy some things for 1 week or for 30 days, like that, just such as food. Okay, but of course, in the countryside, it is more peaceful than the city. Okay, now look, if we have the city, we also
Town.
have town.
Town.
Very good. So when we say a town, Dolin, this is a place that is not in the city, but closer to a city. Okay, this is still not in the countryside, away from the countryside, but closer to the city. And in the town, there are many houses too. And they have malls. But unlike in the city, where there are tall buildings. So a town rarely have tall buildings. Is that clear, Dolin?
Yes.
Very good. Okay, now let's continue. Dolin, listen and repeat. We have here.
Jungle.
Jungle.
Very good. So a jungle is a place where animals live. It's like a forest. Okay, now look at the pictures. What animals live in the jungle, Dolin?
Elephant. Zebra. Hippo. Um, snakes, monkey,
Very
birds,
good. Nice. We also have giraffe, rhinoceros, and
rhinoceros,
what's this?
hippo,
Hippo. Yes, hippo. Very good. Okay, so Dolin, I want you to say rhinoceros.
rhinoceros,
Great. So this is a rhinoceros. They also live in the jungle. Okay, now listen and repeat. We have here.
Village.
village,
Great. So a village is a place where there are houses, but the houses are quite far from each other. Unlike the town, the houses are closer to each other, while in the village, the houses are a bit farther from each other. But still, it's not in the countryside. Okay, so do you live in a town, Dolin, or in a
no,
village?
I live in the city.
Very good. Wow. So you really understand the difference between a city, a village, a town, and the countryside. Great. Okay. Now, in here, let's check whether you've learned something from the vocabulary. Now, look at this one. All of the words in here have missing letters. So you're going to look and complete. What word is it, Dolin?
Doctor,
Very good. Okay, what about number 2?
village,
One more, please.
Iceland,
Yes, I want you to say island.
island,
Great job. How about number 3?
village,
Village. Great. Okay, what about number 4? What about number 4, Dolin?
I don't know.
Okay, number 4 is what we call jungle. Oh, this is wrong
Jungle,
spelling. There should be an N in here. I'm sorry. Jungle. Okay, now what about number 5?
nurse,
Wow, great. Okay, now what about number 6?
farmer,
Very good. It is farmer. Also, sorry again, there is R in here. Farmer. Okay, wow, well done for that, Dolin. So I'm gonna give you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stars. Great. Okay, now let's reorder the position of the word. So let me give you an example. So look at the first word. What can we make out of these unscrambled words? So we can make boring. What about number 2, Dolin? What word can we form from that?
village,
Nice. What about number 5?
um, um, I don't know.
Okay, so this is what we call difficult. Okay, what
Difficult
about
word.
number 4? What is it?
Pirate,
Wow, that's right. And last one we've got
handbag,
wow, well done, Dolin. So that's another 5 stars. Great. So all in all, you've got 10 stars. Keep up the good work, Dolin. I hope you learned something. See you next time, Dolin. Bye-bye.
Bye bye, teacher.
Bye.